Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the stick drift on your Nintendo Switch using the settings on the system. So to do this, we can go down to System Settings, scroll on down, and we want to go to Controllers and Sensors and go to the right. Scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says Calibrate Control Sticks. Select A on this. Now it says tilt the stick that you want to calibrate. So most of the time, if you have stick drift, it's probably going to be on the right stick. So the orange side, I'm going to go ahead and tilt to the right. And then I'm going to be brought to this page. Now, if you have a plus icon in the middle of the screen, that means you're probably good to go. You don't have any stick drift. Now, if it looks like this, and you have a circle, you probably have stick drift. Then you want to make sure your controller is able to go around and is not on the inside of this circle. So if it's showing up on the outside of the circle, it means the outer side of your thumbstick is good. Now, if you don't see both of what I just said, you can calibrate it by pressing X. So it looks like my right stick is good. So let's back out and then do my blue side, my left side. So let's tilt this to the right or left. It looks like my circle is good here for my outer dead zone. Then my inner dead zone is good too. I have the plus icon, but I'm just going to press X to recalibrate just in case. It says recalibrate only if there is a problem. So if you have stick drift, go ahead and calibrate it. Now it says move the stick toward the triangle and release it when it changes the color of the triangle. So it doesn't really change the color, it just fills it in. So it says release now. So I move to the right, release. So you can see I have a little bit of stick drift. My circle is not centered on the cross. So let's go down, release it, go to the left, release it, then go up, release it, then just turn it like this. This will be your outer dead zone, and the calibration is now complete. So there is a intrinsic dead zone, meaning your controller is not going to register on the screen until you apply like maybe 10% force or something like that, maybe 5% force on your thumbstick. So if you're moving around just very slightly, you're going to notice that it's not moving. And this is going to get rid of all those small amount of stick drift. So if you have very large stick drift, it's probably going to register. But you can also try getting some compressed air and blowing it into your thumbstick. Maybe there's some dust or debris or something that fell in there, some Cheeto dust or something. Just blowing that out could help that as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.